Are you struggling to performance manage your employees? I'm Hamish Proctor from Aitken Legal. When your employees aren't performing as you'd like, or they're failing to meet your expectations, it can be a tricky situation to manage. In this video, I'll share with you my 3 top tips to help you performance manage your team. Top tip 1. Performance manage to improve. So often we see employers come to Aitken Legal and seek advice regarding how to dismiss an underperforming employee, when they have never had a performance management discussion with that employee before. Our first top tip is that performance management should start from the date the employment commences and continue throughout the employment relationship. Prior to an employee commencing, make sure you have a well-drafted employment contract and a comprehensive position description, and have that employee sign and return those documents before commencing. This documentation forms the foundation for good performance management. Once the employment starts, it is important that you bring performance issues to the employee's attention and address them at the time they occur. This sets your expectations on performance early and gives the employee an understanding of the requirements of the position, as well as a chance to improve their performance, which is ultimately the real purpose of performance management. Top tip 2. Document all performance management discussions with employees. Many employers fall into the trap of having informal discussions with employees and not keeping a record of those discussions. This often comes back to bite the employer when it reaches a point of needing to commence a formal process with the employee. Accordingly, our second top tip is to always ensure that you keep a written record of any performance-related discussion you have with an employee. That way, when you are ready to have a formal performance management discussion, you have a documented history that you can refer to and rely upon to justify escalating to a formal performance management process. Top tip 3. Know what a best practice performance management process looks like and follow it. It is really important that at the point where you begin to formally performance manage an employee, that you understand what an appropriate process is and that you follow that process. If you have documented performance management or disciplinary policies in your business, then you must follow those policies. If you do not have such a policy, then you need to make sure that you are following a best practice performance management process. Getting performance management wrong can be costly and is a significant risk to your business. So please contact Aitken Legal and speak to an experienced employment lawyer if you need assistance with the process.